Our pride, loyal listeners. Warm, cultural, modern and unapologetically African, traditional at heart. We address issues that affect our listeners. We donate a borehole. 25 years of taking listeners on overseas tours. Our events that attract magnitude. The Royal Festival. We are the ears, the eyes and your voice. Direct connection with you through me Dinamidanani. Our listeners' voice heard through Rwimboro Kaurangwaha. We warmly start the day on Vandirani, midweek and Saturdays. We address issues on Chico. We create conversations on Ziaoroa. We make listeners excited on Dikita. And we also worship and pray on Gondobugara. We are with you at all times. Rinan Misiote.
Hey, let us take you through who we are. We are the heartbeat and the voice of Batsonga people. Impumaulo Washilombe. Our presence is felt. We don't have to say much. Our drives are the smoothest. So Komandlela, or better yet, Zumba Nahina, Hitakumwaiterisa. We ooze charisma. Hina Hipuramalangabi. If you're new to this, Hirimantswani. La Hitakudzuzaburongo. Papama and make things happen. We have your back, keeping you informed and leading the way. We are the home of the prestigious Xitsonga Music Awards. We lead proud, bright, and loud. Hina Hima Kombandlela.
Munghana Nonene FM Magombandlela.
An ear to the ground, a finger on the pulse. This is a voice of a nation, the custodians of a language and culture, the producers of South Africa's favorite award-winning drama, Matlaku, originators of the social impact initiative Rutusha Kai. We are the people that brought Polokwane, the Tobela FM Gospel Festival. We birth stars from our Gospel Star Search. Music for all tastes, with shows from reggae, jazz, party time. More than just radio. We talk the talk. We are Tobela FM. Mushate.